tonight, tomorrow night. I have no idea. It should be exciting and very cute. This is our crib in the basement, and that's about it for me today. You excited for the puppies? They were watching some show and I was editing, and then I came downstairs and took a shower, and Easton yelled, and we missed the birth of the first two.
Well, actually, good. Me and Dad
There are three now. I missed the birth of the third. Apparently it was kind of messy. I'm probably gonna sleep on that shelf tonight. I gotta sleep in. I don't know how much I'll sleep,
Dad, how long
but I'll try to be there.
Dad, how long do you think it was?
You want me to? I understand that this is extremely gross, and I have gagged on quite a few occasions. Yeah, sorry about that. That was not the best night of sleep. I tried going to bed at like 12:40, but I had an alarm go off every 20 minutes to check on the pups, and when I got up at 2:50, the last two pups were being born, so I was up from 2:50 until 3:40. And then I got up at 6:30 just now. So, anyway, I did not sleep much at all. I'm sorry if I'm tired. We have 10 puppies. All of them are alive. All of them are mostly black. The mama's doing a good job. Yeah. I felt pretty awful on that run. I'm postponing my normal workout till later today because, yeah, so I need to eat first. I'm also out of clothes, so I'm wearing Puppies plaid shorts, which, I mean, they look fire, so. Apparently, I miscounted this whole time. There are 11 of them. All of them are doing well. I haven't done much today, so I'm just gonna film the puppies a whole lot and have that be today's vlog. Yeah. All of them are black, just like last litter she had, except this time we have 3 of what we call possums, and they have pink feet and a pink nose and a light brown, but they look like little possums. Also, the puppies are completely blind and deaf and can't walk for like a week or 2. So, yeah, pretty helpless. Well, I came down here and there was a dead puppy. I'm not gonna show it, it's sad. But then we counted, so there was an extra puppy, so maybe we missed it in a count, or it was like a stillbirth a lot later.
Well, we counted.
As I mentioned in this vlog, we're trying to make a patio outside of our basement and under our porch. So I've done nothing today. I've been very tired, but haven't slept because that's just how I am. But gonna do this now. Out to here. The elder puppies disappeared, but they came back. But I got a nice bike ride in.
And then it jumps.
Remember how fat Verdi was before she had the puppies? And now look at how skinny her back is. Like
Man, you have to have them an angle from below.
my entire hand fit. You can see her ribs. I'm gonna drive to driver's ed because I'm that swag. Yes. Thank you. Okay, let's go.